So welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this shirt for Jazair to wear on his father's birthday. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. Okay, so first I lay out all the colors that I wanted to use for the cake on the mat, and now I'm putting the black on. This is for the happy birthday, and this is how it is laid out on Cricut Design Space. Wow, look at that. Wow, Jessica, you see that? You see it moving? Wow.
A few moments later. "2,000 years later."